For over 15 years, I've pushed global organizations to be more data-driven. However, for most of the time, we were limited by what we could do within business intelligence. 5 years ago, I was introduced to data visualization tools like ClickView. And as an early adopter of smartphones and mobile apps, I immediately saw the potential to create immersive analytical experiences using the same design and user experience you now expect from mobile or desktop applications, but now apply it to business intelligence reports and dashboards. Visual analytics is much more than just a dashboard. It's a methodology focused on user-centric design. It's an architecture that delivers rapid results and scales across not just the enterprise, but also your entire customer base. Visual analytics is a tool, platform and device agnostic, and most importantly for us at Digimasters, it's a lot of fun. Today we're talking about talent management and how visual analytics can solve many of the frustrations and issues experienced by, well, everyone. From recruitment agencies, the internal sourcing teams in your organization, or my own issues as a hiring director. As a hypothetical recruitment company, I want to demonstrate the value we are adding to an organization by demonstrating the quality and the success our candidates are having, not just in the hiring process, but long-term in the organization. As a hiring manager, I want to know where there are bottlenecks in the recruitment process. I need to know if we're hiring too few or too many people, and ultimately, I want to make sure I'm retaining top talent, and I don't just rely on the pipeline of new people coming into the organization. And finally, as an internal sourcing or HR team, I'm focused on making sure that the organization is getting the value from our recruitment sources, be them external agencies or internal events or referrals from existing employees. All the above is possible using a single guided app, and here is an early illustration of some of the metrics we can track using an open source custom interface we like to call Talent Management. The Talent Management app is based on Digimasters' module canvas design template. This is a template which focuses on providing all the insight on a single page or canvas and removes the majority of users' effort in searching through different screens or reports to find the information they require. The modules are individual mini insight windows which allow us to change the layout for an individual's preferences, and also allows the technology team to very easily manage the future changes and requests of the users by splitting each request into a scope to deliver a new module or update an existing one. At the top of the canvas, we have our global filters. The filters allow us to either look at how the talent is performing across the entire organization or focus on a specific time period, business area, or talent source. Next, we have a list of all the executive metrics for quick reference. These check the health of the pipeline and other key performance indicators. Our first module is Candidate Pipeline. This is a simple custom table visual with standard controls which allow us to minimize or maximize or even unpin the module depending on the preference. The table visual only provides a high-level summary. To find out more, I can click on the candidate to load much more detail without having to navigate to another page or system. Here I can get specifics on the candidate and open supporting documentation such as a CV or cover letter. Next, we have some modules tracking assessment centers and recruitment events before we get onto our first chart, which is a quick check to make sure the number of open positions we are hiring for matches the demand for people we have inside the organization. In this example, we can see there are some large mismatches in each quarter, with Q1 attempting to hire way more people than we have demand for. But this is totally reversed in Q2. The module also provides insight to who owns the open roles and how long they've been open for. Bottleneck analysis is a key issue for every large organization. And the next two modules focus on identifying just how many interviews are taking place and how many of our people certified to interview are actually doing more or less of their fair share. Collaboration is a large part of visual analytics applications. So a live chat window to capture comments, commentary and suggestions is built into the design. Diversity is up next before we delve into the end-to-end candidate journey through the hiring process. The candidate journey module is dominated by this custom Sankey chart, which shows which channels are providing the most CVs and allows us to track right through to the hiring how many CVs are converted into top talent for the organization. This is a powerful module when used to track quality over quantity, and also helps us to work out where budgets and investments should be made in improving the candidate journey. Finally, we have our return of investment or ROI module. This module uses advanced analytics models to determine the probability of individuals wanting to leave the organisation. We've also developed a visual to show how the probability is determined, and we've called it leaving factors. Leaving factors such as the amount of holiday taken or not taken, number of sick days, amount of training completed, are all potential factors into why someone may want to leave. The Talent app focuses on showing you where there are healthy factors and where there are potential issues that need to be addressed. By clicking on the leaving factors title, you'll see it brings up a what if analysis window, which has a live connection to the analytics algorithm. This allows a user to change elements of a person's work balance and also their rewards, to suggest what could be done to improve a person's working lifestyle and help to retain them. I hope you found this quick overview of our talent management app insightful, and if you're watching this on YouTube, then please subscribe to Digimasters to see additional visual analytics examples in the near future. Thank you.